Hello, once again, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eskin Kwame, and today we are going to do some smoothie. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going to prepare some smoothie. So here are the ingredients. You have the dates. These are dates, and then I got some apple, and then some coconut. Yeah, there is coconut. All the things have been peeled off, and we have our blender and our knife, and then the most important, these are tiger nuts. Very juicy. So we are going to start. First of all, I've already washed my hands, so everything is set. So I'll put the blender here, and then just cut the tip of the coconut so that we can get the water out. This is a very healthy smoothie we are going to prepare. So for you to know that it's coconut, I like to show you the water. So after that, we cut this into smaller sizes. So we're going to cut the coconut into smaller sizes. So that it will help for us to get a very nice smoothie. First of all, cutting it into smaller sizes will help and make it the blending easier. As you can see, put this inside the blender. Continue with the rest. So cutting them, you put them inside the blender. So this is it's going to be a fantastic smoothie. So you can take this smoothie early morning after you've done with your exercise, or in the morning, going for break in the afternoon after lunch. So this smoothie can be taken any time of the day, especially in the morning and in the evening. Pardon me, you can cut it any size you want since you are going to blend it. That's why I'm cutting them like this. So we are done with the coconut. So we go back to our dates. These are dates, very sweet. Well, in order for you to put in the date, you have to take away the seed inside. You can see there is a seed inside every date. So this date, you have to take it off and then put this fresh, the cover inside the blender. This has been thoroughly washed. So you put them inside the blender. You take one, you cut part of it, and then you take away the seed. This seed will no longer be needed since we only need a very tasty smoothie. So you can even do it with your bare hands. So you peel it, you take away the seed, and then you are good to go. So there is it. You peel it, you take away the seed, and you are good to go. So you can put in as much as smoothie you want, depending on the taste you want. This smoothie is going to be very tasty, creamy, and then you can even do this without even adding any sugar. It will taste like you have added enough sugar because of the dates. The date is very sweet. Put in as much dates you want. Take away the seed. And then take the seed, the date, and then you take away the seed. You take away the seed, and then you put in the date inside the blender. You take away the seed, then you put in the leftovers inside the blender. You take away the seed, and then you put in. So it's left with a few of them, about 3. You take away the seed, and then you put in the dates. You take away the seed, doing it with my bare hand. Take away the seed, and then you put it in. So I think we are done with the dates. So we are going to move to the tiger nut. Yeah, the main ingredient. So we are going to put in as much as tiger nut we want. can try this at home, anywhere. There's little tools needed here. With so I think the tiger nuts, these are enough. Let me add a little bit. Yeah. And then we add some apple to it. So this apple, cut them. It's going to be a very tasty, nice smoothie. We add our apple. I think these are enough. So now this is the final part, which is the blending. So I'm going to cover it. Now you can choose to add milk or leave it like this and then you blend. But here I'm going to add some few things to it, then we blend. Okay guys, so this is what we got after blending all together. We got our nice tasty smoothie. Yeah, so this can be taken early in the morning, in the afternoon, evening, after you've done with your meal, or in the morning after an exercise. So we're going to pour it inside this glass. Nice smoothie. And the nice part is we'll add some milk. You can see some creamy ideal milk. We add it together. Okay. And you add some to this. So we have our nice tasty smoothie.